Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael coming at you with episode 2 of Unusual Options Activity. So, if you are new here, please make sure that you go and watch last week's episode so that you are caught up with this week's episode, and I'll link it right here. And then after you do that, if you haven't already from watching last week's video, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, while you're down there, please be sure to smash the like button because it really helps to grow the family, and I really appreciate it as well. And also, if you're interested in signing up for Tastyworks, I have a referral link down below in the description. You don't really get anything for signing up for it, but it's just another one of the ways to support the channel. So if you do, I appreciate that, but if not, that's good too. And one last thing before we get into the video, I'm just going to take my Instagram and I'm going to leave it right here. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so here we are. It is June 5th, 2020. It's been about a week and a half since I posted episode 1. So here's the update to that. In the remainder of this video, we're going to take a look at how the trades have done, how the trades are doing, and then we're going to hop into the platform and we're going to try to pick out a few more trades together. So quickly before we get to that, I just want to point out some of the mistakes or errors or things that I realized that I did that a lot of you were telling me in the comments last time that I kind of did wrong or that I could have improved on. So I just wanted to take this time to let you know what I've learned. Okay, so the first thing I learned is that whenever you're looking at unusual options activity, you don't necessarily know if they sold that option or if they bought that option. So it's a good idea whenever you see unusual option activity that you want to get in on, just take a quick second, look at the charts, maybe take some time and look at the news. Me personally, I'm not going to take the time to look at the news right now because I'm just playing around with this, but I will go through with y'all and just take a quick second to look at the chart. So yeah, that's what I learned. Just taking a quick second to take a look at research can save or make you a lot in the long run. So yeah, with that being said, let's go hop over to the platform. All right, so as you can see, we're here in Tastyworks, and I just wanted to start out by showing you the Microsoft call that we had bought in the first video. It ended up expiring out of the money. It got pretty close, it touched it, but it did not expire in the money, so we did not profit off that. And I don't exactly remember how much we paid for it. I think it was around $35, but I ended up selling out for $3 on the day of expiration. And yeah, that's how we did. But looking at how we're doing on the other two options we have, okay, so as you can see, ET, we still have 14 days on it, and we bought it for $35. We are now up over 100%. We've more than doubled our money, so I actually think I am going to close this position. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, close. And we are going to use the money for that to, yeah, we closed out of that, and now we have $118 buying power. Now looking at this Oxy play we're in, still have 42 days on it. We paid $31 for it. It is now valued at $220. We are up $189 off of a initial $31 investment. So yeah, just going to sell this right here right now, just so we can keep rolling these positions over into more and see where we can grow this. But yeah, I'm gonna take profits on this. Is close. That one didn't even go in the money, but hey, we now took this account that was at $120. Actually, I think it was at about $140 when we started. It is now up to $339. So now in this episode, we are going to pick 2 or 3 unusual options contracts, and we are going to, yeah, we're going to see how they do. Okay, so, oh shoot, I already got the tab open. Okay, so we're here. Let's do a refresh and see if we can find any that we like. I don't want to spend any more than $30 or $40 for them, so that's kind of going to dictate whether or not we make the play. Okay, so there's this BCS call, $7 call, $35 bid at 664. So let's check it out. BCS. like to look at. Oh yeah, that, hey, that's good. That's good for me. It definitely looks like it'll be hitting that pretty soon. So if I can get it for that price, I'll do it. But we'll see. I'll start by putting in an order for that. Okay, so we will hit trade. Oh no. Yeah, I got to watch out. I almost sold that. Okay, so yeah, I'm on buy now. All right, so we'll try that again. And I'm going to put in the limit price just how they had it. I'm going to put it at 35. All right, so that's one contract we got in. Now let's look for two more. Ford $8 call for July 2nd. Let's check out Ford. Looks good to me. All right. So yeah, we're going to get in here. We're going to do ticker symbol F. $8 call. And it looks like we actually have the opportunity to get in for less. So yeah, I'm gonna do it at the limit price. We put send on that. We already got filled on that. Still got $286 buying power. Now let's try to find one more. And the bid price is 35 cents. So I'm thinking we should put in an order. But first let's go to the chart for Exxon. All right, so we're here and it's looking like the next level is $60. I'm down for that. Yeah, looking at that, it was a trade on Exxon for, I think it was 56. They paid 35 cents for it. All right, so it's not exactly the same contract. That one looks like it's gone a little bit out, so I'm gonna go ahead and move to the next strike. Still gonna be watching that other strike, but just because I want to keep my eyes on it, I'm gonna actually do this strike. All right, so looking at the orders we put in, we got a June 19th for Ford, a June 19th call for Exxon, and July 17th call on BCS. So yeah, I'd like to know, have you been doing any unusual options activity trading? Let me know how it went down below in the comments. Also, if you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post new videos every week and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to grow the family and I really appreciate it as well. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching and peace.